Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ringkat lang bagari India Brockway ke District School Education Officer Southwest Khasi Hills District hak santering unai luar alja apulai kalarakhi ke singkerpang jogi Nonghikai Hamaharam Government Higher Secondary School Auditorium Mawkyrwat hak abau Deputy Commissioner jong Southwest Khasi Hills District ubat tilingwa ulalong kumkongsan haringkat ke jingidon lang jong Additional Subdivisional School Education Officer ubat SS Lingkhoi Sub Inspector of School uba S Carpeting, Principal joko Maharam Government Higher Secondary School, uba GD Nongsiet, ki Nonghikai bat ki kena school. Hakani ke sengi la sami ki kusnam cek sangut ki Nonghikai bat ki Scout Master, bat la pencongkun yang ni ke jingrakhi, da ke jingruai ni ki kena school jong ke JNV Mawkyrwat bat ke Cultural Dance, na ki kena school jong ke Mawkyrwat Presbyterian Secondary School.
To you all. On behalf of all the awardees, I am here to say a few words on this occasion. I am honored to be here today and grateful to be a recipient of this award, the District Teacher Award 2023. I thank God for enabling us to celebrate this day. I extend my deepest gratitude to Madam S. Kasono, the Dseo, and the SDSEO in charge, the staff of both Dseo and SDSEO, and the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, and others, for recognizing and selecting us for this award. This award is a testament to the hard work and dedication that we have put into the teaching services for the last 3 decades. We hope that this award will encourage and hope that we will work harder and harder in the future.
At the same time, I would request the teachers to keep up with this patience and also to keep up with the effort that you have been doing. I know you have done well. I have no complaint against you. You have shown your good work in the people of this district. I am very, very thankful to all the teachers of this district, and I am also thankful to these awardees who have shown their examples to the world that even if they are the teachers, they can do many good things which any other person cannot do. So I will not speak much. I am very, very thankful to the organizers of this program and all who are involved in this program. I wish that you will continue your endeavor to encourage the teachers from time to time, and these type of awards will be given every year so that the tempo of encouraging the teachers will be sustained and will continue from time to time. In remembrance of Dr. Salvatore Robertson, who has shown his example of how to be a good teacher in their spirit. You know, teaching is God's gift. Not everybody cannot have the talent to teach. Only those who have the talent given by God can teach effectively to the students. Of course, now that various types of